up, guys? Art Givid, Art God, Arashi Gang, back again with another video. And today, my parts had came in. And you see, I got the pimples, but the show must go on, so who cares? I spent about $200. They're not really car modifications, they're just cleaning things. And I actually bought a legit car mod, which is the headlights. I'm going 6,000 watts. Check out what we got inside these boxes. Alright, first package. I think this is the bulbs for my license plate. Okay, I'm just making sure these are for me. Ooh. Oh, never mind, it's the hairbrush and the bulbs, yeah. Well, not hairbrush, but for the leather. My car's been getting really dirty. I'm gonna save that. Well, there's like a car meet coming up, and I'm going on Saturday. So the way I'm gonna upload the videos is by sequence. I'm gonna obviously install the HIVs first. I'm gonna install the headlights, bulbs and everything, and then clean my car. Then it'll show us at the car meet. But we're gonna be rolling out with Griffin, Min, and Eric, and Casey. Their social medias will be in the description. So we got the Bluetooth, this thing, so I don't scratch my paint when I'm wiping it with the microfiber towel. This for the headlights. Let's see, I think, no, these should be for the inside of the car. Oh no, these are the inside of the car and these are headlights. I spent a total of $200 to get these, and they still charge me for shipping. That's tough. And we have one more big box. I don't even know. Like, look at this. This is huge. Alright. Let me just set y'all here. Oh. Okay, I don't know what else I ordered to give me a big box like. Okay, I could have sworn this is all I ordered. Like, oh yeah, that's right. It's the leather cleaner I bought. This is what I paid $60 for. A nice black box. You gotta do that. ASMR, baby. Ooh, look at this. This is nice. Did they give me a free t-shirt too? Oh. Oh wow, I didn't have to buy a microfiber. Okay. Well, I just wasted my money. Oh, and it came with the sponges too. That's cool. Alright, see, I didn't know it would come with that. I thought it just came with these, but that's nice. Well, I got leather cleaner for me, but all my family members drive cars with leather in it, so you know, it'd be beneficial for them too. I had to take one for the team. But yeah, I'll let you guys know how it is when we clean my car on the third video for the car meet. And I also got a couple other things for my car. Nothing too special, but it's just for the aux of my car because, you know, I don't have aux or Bluetooth. I'm gonna install this. I don't know when. Actually, I'm gonna do it now. I'll tell you guys how it turns out. But yeah, that's everything I ordered. I think this video we're gonna be switching out the headlights, bulbs, and all the bulbs inside. So I'll see you guys when I'm done doing my homework and all that. Peace.
Aye. What's up?
Damn, son, where'd you find this?
Aye. Had to cut these bitches off, and honestly, I feel so.
Okay. All age 96 boys. Yo guys, I'm so happy. It freaking works, finally. I don't have to do all of that and spend $15 on a 15-volt fuse. Well, I still might buy it anyways, because it's good to have Bluetooth, but I need to be able to charge my phone. This week I should be uploading the Art Gods, a channel on my main channel, Art God. So go follow that. Oh, I'll probably put it right here. Yeah, go follow that up there. And yeah, I'll see you guys when we get installing the bulbs and things. I'm just gonna listen to some music now because I'm done with my homework. Yeah. Okay, I see 2 clips right there. Just pull it back.
Kind of push it in, and then
Oh, okay, I see what you mean. Alright.
Both sides? There you go. Okay.
Alright, everything's all sealed in. Guys, if you own the TSX, please let me know if you have this problem. The cigar lighter isn't working, and I'm checking all the fuses, and I'm not too sure, like, well, these two right here. Yeah, this one doesn't work. Doesn't have no clip in it. All of these are working, and I checked out the inside too. All those are working, and we can't find which one is the cigar lighter. So if you guys have something that could help me, like, let me know, please. Comment it down or DM me something.
What, you can play DVD?
What the heck? I didn't even know this was underneath my car the whole time.
So, it's Pioneer.
Dang. Is that a good setup?
Yeah, it's good speakers.
Dude, they give us the hookup. We'll be changing these. Put that up there. It's good. That. It's beautiful. I just have to flip them around. It's like positive and negative. Oh, okay. Let me put this back on. Oh, whoops. Ooh, check that out, boys. Dang. What'd I tell you? That's hard work right there. Ooh, my car is looking nice right now. Alright. So, this side? Yeah. Oh, okay, I see. Dang, I feel like I'm gonna break it. It's like on there pretty good. Look at this, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed the video so far. Leave a like. So for the trunk, you just can't clip it off like an RSX. You actually have to take out the whole trim, which is retarded, but we're gonna do that tomorrow. And yeah, it's starting to rain too, so do it tomorrow. Take our time with it, edit the rest of this vlog, even though it's probably nothing to edit. Peace. What's up, guys? This is day 2, and today we will be changing out the back license plate bulb. Shouldn't be that hard. I was watching videos about it, so I'm just gonna grab the bulbs. Almost lost the bulbs. I thought I left them outside on the sidewalk and didn't pick them up at all, but it was like underneath my chair. But yeah, I'm gonna go get the car back in the garage and see y'all when I get there. I should watch out for that. I hit my door really hard on that. Oh, okay, I just did it again. Oh, where's the trunk here? Pull that. Sweet. Well, this isn't coming off. So, I mean, I guess I could keep that on. It shouldn't be that much of a problem. All I need to do is just pull this down and just undo it from here. I got the cover off, and I'm trying to like, there's like something you have to squeeze. I'm squeezing it, but like, it's kind of hard to get a good grip of it to pull it out. Plus, yeah, it's like pretty good in there. I don't know what this is, but it fell out of the car. I felt like I was gonna break it a little bit. Nice. All right. How's it looking? Oh, it's pretty good.
Okay, and just that inside one.
Okay.
Get all that leaves and posts. See that?
Scrappy. All right.
Turn
Good.
around. Oh, that's a good.
Look at that, boys. VTEC, you dig? Look at all this engine space we got. So one of the bolts broke for the air filter, but no problem. I'm gonna get an intake soon. Yeah, this is what I'm running. All stock, boys. Shut the hood. I like to do it gently. And every time I touch my hood,
Look at
I always
this
get
dude.
dirty, so I gotta do this. Yeah, this is everything. So I had student orientation today at 1, which is gonna be interesting. This is my first orientation. Well, I mean, it is like called first orientation or whatever. But yeah, I got that, and then we'll head to AutoZone or whatever later. See you guys later. Check out the rings. Bust it down. All right, peace. New one. Hey guys, look at this. That's disgusting. Put that there. Get the new one. Should go in there like this. So we just throw that back in there and should be done. Cool. Everything's working. And then just gonna throw that in here. Well, that wraps up the video. I changed out the bulbs and checked out the air filters, replaced the cabin filter. Tomorrow we'll be washing the car, then the car meet, but I'm gonna have those as separate videos to make more content for the channel. This week will be the Art Gods 3K special. The way I'm gonna run my channel is if I post something on one page, then it's gonna go on one page, and then that's it. Only one page per week. Yeah, peace guys.
Just because you see us smoking, don't think we slipping.